Hello everybody, this is me2407 with another video, and today I'm going to be going Authentics hunting once again. I'm only going to visit 2 stores today, but hopefully I find some good stuff. Last time I was out, I found a decent amount of Race Wind Wave 2. I found the Ryan Blaney Talladega. I found the Grant Enfinger Daytona, and then a Chase Elliott Daytona. Found a couple other cars that I did not pick up, but hopefully I find some good stuff today. Probably not going to pick up any duplicates, but let's get to hunting. Before this video starts, I'd like to invite you guys to check out Bench Racing Diecast located in Newark, New York. They have the greatest selection for 164 and 124 scale diecasts, and it is an amazing store. Whether you've been collecting for years or just getting into the hobby, it is a must-see for any collector. They also have a website which is linked in the comments and description below, so if you see something you like but don't live nearby, you can still purchase it. Once again, the name is Bench Racing Diecast, but now, let's get on to the video. So I started my quick little trip at Walmart, and they didn't have any 164s, but they did have one hauler. And then I was amazed at this Target. So they had all of Race Wind Wave 2, and I'll just let you guys enjoy what's on the pegs. I ended up picking up a couple cars for myself and Motorsport Insider, so I can't wait to take a better look at these once I get home. And that was it for my trip, so I'll show you guys my new additions today. We'll start out with Cole Custer's Kentucky Winter Car. I have this one in 124, so I kind of wanted to add the 164 just to have the set. I really like the color on this one. It's nice to have a Custer 164, and it's a pretty cool win, his first win. Not a lot of dirt or anything on this one, but just nice to have this car. Move on to the next one. It's Denny Hamlin's 2020 Daytona car. I was debating whether to get this one or the Martin Truex Jr. Martinsville, but I picked this one because I figured the Truex is probably going to sit a little while. And I'm happy I got this one. I don't have too many Denny Hamlin cars in my collection, but this is a really nice looking one. Of course, Daytona champion. Really happy I picked up that one. And then finally, this one I've been searching for so long, and I did not want to buy on eBay. I was lucky enough to find it. Here it is, Chase's iRacing truck. So really, really happy to find this one. I really like the color on this one. Once again, another car that I have in 1/24th scale, right there. But these things are on eBay for close to 26 bucks, so I don't want to pay that for a 164, especially when it's $5 retail. But yeah, super happy to find this one. So the only cars I'm missing now are the Keselowski, the Truex, and yeah, that's it for me for this wave. So I'll eventually probably pick those cars up just to complete the whole wave. But for now, I'd say I got some pretty good finds today. So if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And comment below if you guys have seen Race Wind Wave 2 yet. I've been really lucky, and I've now seen it 3 times. So I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. And yeah, it's going to be me2407. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Bye!